Hey guys, welcome to another episode of LJ's Garage. Today we're talking about the Fitcamx, more specifically the 6-month update with this dash cam. I still really highly recommend this dash cam, and there are just a couple little hiccups that I ran into so far in my short 6 months with it. So if you are on the market for one and still considering that, feel free to use this code shown below. So if anything, here are my thoughts on living with the Fitcam after 6 whole months. And yes, it's been mostly positive, no complaints really that are major, and for the price I still think that this is a great dash cam. So feel free to, leave some comments, questions, concerns below. But again, everything held up, the install went pretty great, no issues, no rattles, no squeaks. So I do think the quality is there. It's very well built, it doesn't vibrate on my mirror, it doesn't give me any issues or concerns whatsoever on that part. So the first hiccup that I ran into is going to be with the SD card. It said that this has loop recording, and after so long and the SD card becomes full, it's supposed to rewrite over the oldest files first. However, I realized that it stopped recording altogether and it didn't actually do that. So there was about a month where I thought that this dash cam was recording and it didn't. So I would definitely recommend once a month kind of doing some maintenance, just checking to make sure that everything is still recording and you're good to go. Because of where the lights are on this dash cam, you can't see the error codes or the blinking lights half the time, so you have to remember to actually make an effort to check up on the dash cam that it's still actually recording, which is a huge concern for me. But again, it's probably just something in the settings that I've got to fiddle with, and I'm probably just going to reset my SD card and do a quick little reset to try to see if that doesn't happen again. But the great part about it is that that memory card, 128 gigs, it recorded all of November to February without any slowdowns or concerns and issues. So I do appreciate that you can get at least a good solid 3 months worth of recording with that 128 gigabytes, if you guys are curious. So the next concern is just the nighttime driving quality, specifically on the rear camera. The front camera is fantastic. I think it's well done. It delivers what it says, and I have nothing I really want to change there. I think for a nighttime low light driving, this is kind of what you get with a dash cam, unless you're spending $500 or something for like maybe a black view. I think those are in the $300 to $500 range if I recall. But the rear camera is just enough to show if something kind of was your fault or not. And I do kind of give this high praise on its audio quality. The audio quality is really great on there as well. So other than those couple little tiny things, I think the dash cam itself is really, really great. And for the right price, if you catch these on sale through Amazon, even just using a discount code, I think these are well worth it. Just got to keep in mind that that rear camera is just for emergencies only. And it really is just to show like, hey, this person cut me off, or you could actually help somebody else with that rear camera to show that somebody was maybe texting and driving behind you. It'll capture enough detail during daytime to be fantastic. It's just nighttime where I wish that the quality was a little bit better. And I don't know if any of these dash cams on the market right now really are going to ever be able to deliver that. So I'm just going to end this one with a little bit of footage and let you guys kind of see for yourself how it's been. But those are my only complaints, concerns, gripes, anything at all. And some of it is self-inflicted, some of it is just, maybe user error. And I do want to talk about the app itself. It's very user-friendly, super easy to use. And I've got some footage here of that. And you can see it's, straightforward. Nothing else to really write home about. And I think Fitcam does a great job with this packaging altogether. 4K dash cam, that front camera is outstanding. Rear camera also great during the normal daytime conditions. Just wish that we could get a little bit of a bump on quality for that nighttime. But again, you can see here that sometimes you can make out street signs, sometimes you can see a person or two. It's not going to be enough to really, give the cops anything crazy, but at least if it's a hit or run or something like that and you need to catch some sort of footage, you're going to have something. And I love that about a dash cam. So still 9 out of 10 recommend, and that's all I got for you guys.
it's a demo.